Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can play with online random players in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. All I have to do, just go to play. Right here, you should be able to see the option road to the CFP or College Football Playoff. So we have to select this one, and just here we'll able to play with random players online. So the first option you have here is play game 2. So this is the one we need to select, and you can see on the right hand side how many players are online. You can choose your team and simply just you can select the option find opponent. Before that, you can also change search settings. You can also edit your uniform if you like, and along with that you also have the option for advanced settings. Like right here, you'll able to choose the first choice, second choice, or time, stuff like that. So once you want to find opponent, select the option find opponent, and that way college football will try to find opponent for you. And that's how you'll able to basically play with online random players in college football 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.